This is Abe Elise from One Broad Parkway, White Plains, New York. We are trying to, as you can see, the wind's blowing, blew very hard last night, and our roofing setup wasn't strong enough. What we are trying to do now is put some 2x4s at the very edge, and the metal, perhaps another one, and hang our plastic through that. We're going to attach that to the roof and then let it hang. So you see, we've been doing it already. Overnight we do this cigar shape so the plastic won't fly away and make all the noise that plastic will make and disrupt the neighbors. We're worried, concerned about the top because it wasn't strong enough, and we're expecting high winds tomorrow. So with the 2x4s in place and well attached to the roof, which this is a nice location because we're enclosed and we can work free of the plastic. So right now we are just bringing the 2x4s up, and we are going to replace that tubing that we had. It's not strong enough. So I'll put this on pause in the meantime, and we'll check the progress.
Slide it out the other way.